NordVPN versus Surfshark versus Proton VPN. All three claim to be the #1 VPN of 2026. However, there can be only one. So let's take a closer look, push through the marketing, and break down all the pros and the cons to figure out which one is truly the best VPN for you. All right, to start this VPN comparison, a VPN is nothing without robust security and privacy features. So the jurisdiction is one of the things that play into privacy. Countries like Panama or Switzerland, from where NordVPN and Proton VPN operate, have privacy-friendly laws and don't participate in intelligence sharing with other countries. On the other hand, Surfshark's Netherlands jurisdiction is within an intelligence sharing alliance, which would be an issue if not for the no logs policy. So all VPNs typically promise to keep no logs, but Surfshark, NordVPN, and Proton VPN have confirmed those promises with third-party audits. This means that even if Surfshark might be asked to share data, it simply has nothing to give. Not just because they keep their no logs promise, Surfshark's entire server infrastructure is RAM only, which means data gets wiped from their servers on regular resets. The same applies to NordVPN, and only Proton VPN uses full disk encryption instead, though it does provide similar protection. Personally, I still prefer RAM-only servers, but encryption shouldn't be taken lightly either. After all, VPN security is built on encryption. All three providers I mentioned let you pick between an old but golden AES 256 and a more modern and future-proof Cha-Cha 20. Besides, NordVPN and Surfshark are already dabbling in post-quantum encryption, with Proton VPN catching up this year. So if you want a VPN that can keep you protected at all times, you should seriously consider one of these three. So I've left the best discounts for them in the description below, so go take a look there. All right, one thing that I do want to highlight is transparency. NordVPN and Surfshark, for instance, are both closed source, so you can't really know for sure what happens in their apps. Proton VPN, on the other hand, is open source, allowing anyone to check their code for vulnerabilities. All right, moving on. A good VPN is more than just robust protection, right? It can also maintain fast speeds while defending your connection. And that's where numbers speak more than words ever could. NordVPN does stand at the pinnacle of VPN performance, even confirmed by a West Coast Labs report last year. According to my testing, though, Surfshark is only slightly below that, and Proton VPN closes up right behind them. So these VPNs rank among the top 3 in terms of speed, not just by virtue of optimized protocols. All three providers are actively introducing high-performance 10 gigabit per second servers. For instance, Surfshark also has Fast Track and Nexus architecture designed to enable fast reconnection and optimal routing, alongside next-gen 100 gigabits per second servers in the Netherlands. Proton VPN is no stranger to speed boosting features either, offering the VPN accelerator for a considerable performance boost and port forwarding to improve connection for P2P specifically. Overall, all three are more than enough for general browsing, but if you need the fastest VPN performance out there, yeah, take NordVPN. Surfshark VPN will be a bit better if your ISP provides a spotty connection, as it's much faster at reconnecting and swapping servers. And Proton VPN is easily the best VPN for faster downloading and P2P. Keep that in mind when checking the exclusive deals in the description below to grab the deal for the VPN that best suits your needs. And if you want to pick up NordVPN, you can also scan this QR code for simplicity. Now, if you also need a VPN for streaming, fast speeds are not enough. Global server coverage is mandatory for efficient content access. And that's where Proton VPN shines brighter than ever, with its server number rapidly climbing to the 20K mark. It offers connectivity in 129 countries around the globe, and while NordVPN does rival it in country access, it offers significantly fewer servers. But that doesn't mean that it reduces streaming performance too much. Surfshark has the fewest servers overall, but not enough to affect its streaming performance. Device coverage is also worth considering. You don't want a VPN that is not going to work on your device, right? Well, not that it's ever going to be a problem. Best VPNs like the ones we covered today support all major OS and more. I mean, smart TVs, routers, browsers, you name it. Granted, routers do require some manual setup, and smart TV support is better with NordVPN compared to Surfshark and Proton VPN. On the other hand, only Surfshark offers unlimited device connections, letting you use the app on any number of devices, or even share your account with as many people as you want, really. Very different from a 10 device limit on NordVPN and Proton VPN. So, looking at all these benefits, how much does it cost to get these VPNs? So you've seen the best deals already, so I'll compare with those in mind. Surfshark is easily the most affordable here, especially considering the unlimited device connections. NordVPN is just a bit further from that if we compare the best value plans, Surfshark 1 and NordVPN Plus. Besides, for the fastest VPN and some of the best security, that's a great deal. Now, when it comes to NordVPN versus Proton VPN, the latter is now a bit more affordable, though it's not offering as much value in comparison. Oh, and just to be clear, these are the prices that you can get only through a link in the description below, so don't miss out on that. All right, so just now we've checked some of the best value plans for each provider, but not the special features that those plans provide. For instance, NordVPN has Threat Protection Pro, starting with the Pro plan, an advanced ad blocker that can also block malicious links and even deal with phishing threats. NordVPN also includes a secure LAN connection feature, MeshNet, completely for free, and an improved Nord Whisper protocol for staying invisible from online tracking. Looking at cool extra features, Surfshark goes above and beyond with a built-in antivirus that's so good it got certified alongside the top names in the industry. If that wasn't enough, Surfshark includes a clean web ad blocker, an alternative ID creator for additional privacy when creating accounts, an email scam checker, and a web content blocker. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. That's really a feature-rich VPN right there if you're willing to go for the Surfshark 1 plan. All right, Proton VPN has its own share of extra features. NetShield is effective for blocking ads and malware, and Stealth Protocol lets me stay invisible to ISPs and other third-party meddlers. Besides, the port forwarding I mentioned earlier is not just improving torrenting performance, but also boosting security, unlike other port forwarding implementations. Okay, to summarize this best VPN 2026 comparison, NordVPN is the provider for those who need online privacy and security combined with the fastest speed and a fairly decent feature list. Surfshark serves better as a jack of all trades, offering unlimited device connections, strong VPN service, and antivirus protection all in one place. And if you value transparency and need an open source VPN with robust torrenting support, Proton VPN is for you. So, which one are you going to go for? Let me know in the comments below, and consider leaving a like and subscribing while you're there. Thanks for watching. Hope you found the best VPN you were looking for. Make sure to stay tuned for more cybersecurity videos.